Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play My Judgement on Roblox. To begin, launch the game on the Roblox platform. You will immediately step into the shoes of a judge, tasked with making critical decisions. The game presents you with various court cases, each requiring your careful attention. Your primary objective is to review the provided case files thoroughly and then choose the most fitting sentence for the accused. This involves a blend of reading comprehension and ethical judgment. As you progress, you'll encounter diverse cases, each with its own set of facts and circumstances. It's crucial to read every detail, from the initial crime description to any presented evidence. Look for factors that might lessen the severity of the crime, known as mitigating factors, or those that increase it, called aggravating factors. Remember to weigh these against the game's established community standards and legal precedents to ensure a fair and just decision. Once you have thoroughly reviewed a case, you will be prompted to select a sentence from a set of options. For serious offenses like murder, the game often mandates a life sentence. If a firearm was involved in the crime, expect a minimum sentence of 4 years. However, judges have some flexibility to consider factors like remorse or mental health, which can influence the final judgment. Choose wisely, as your decisions impact the game's progression. My Judgement unfolds over several in-game days, typically 5, with new cases presented each day. Your consistent and thoughtful judgments will shape the narrative and lead to different outcomes. The game features multiple endings, meaning your choices throughout the various cases directly influence which ending you experience. Strive for consistency and fairness in your rulings to achieve a favorable conclusion in this compelling psychological horror experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.